Welcome back to our channel. We'll be sharing with you the 3 ways on how to earn money during this crypto crash. So if you're new to this channel, please hit the like button and subscribe to us so you won't miss our new Bitcoin contents. A brief glance on CoinMarketCap's biggest gainers posting will hurt the scope of altcoins with gains more than 100% in the past 24 hours. These altcoins are profoundly speculative and require insight and exploration. Be that as it may, a 100% return in a couple of hours amidst a crypto crash is a fascinating possibility. So let's take a look at 3 different ways to make money during the crypto crash. And by the way, this is not a financial advice. This video presents solely the opinions based on personal speculations. You should not take it as a financial advice, and you should always do your own research before making any investment. The fact that something worked for us and made us millionaires does not guarantee that it will work for you the same way. Number 1. Short selling crypto during a bear market. Short selling a currency is a strategy that can generate profits for investors who anticipate a decline in the value of a cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin, in the not-too-distant future. To short sell an asset is the most basic form. You can borrow a cryptocurrency from a broker, immediately trade it for stable coins or something similar, and then buy the asset back after its price has fallen while pocketing a profit. This is known as the borrow and trade method. For instance, you might have borrowed $1,000 worth of Bitcoin when its price was just $30,000 a week ago, and then sold it in exchange for $1,000 worth of stable coins. At the current price of Bitcoin, which is $22,000, you can buy back the same quantity of Bitcoin that you borrowed, 0.033 BTC, for just $726, resulting in a profit of $274. In practice, short selling cryptocurrency during a bear market is much more complicated than this describes. One of the simplest ways to do so is through the use of cryptocurrency margin trading platform. However, this method frequently involves the use of leverage, which can result in any losses or profits being magnified exponentially. Short selling can also be done during the crypto market crash through the use of futures markets, trading in binary options, prediction markets, contract for differences or CFD, inverse exchange traded products, and many other financial instruments. When the price of an asset falls, you make a profit from short selling, which can be an excellent way to make money during a crash in the cryptocurrency market. Knowledge gained through experience and investigation is essential to its success. Number 2. BUSD rewards from Evergrow Coin. Evergrow Coin is a cryptocurrency that aims to be the best option for generating passive income. Since it began operation in September of the preceding year, it has distributed more than $30,000 million in payments to its initial investors. The fact that these rewards are paid out on a daily basis and are not affected by a cryptocurrency market crash or bear market is one of the distinguishing characteristics of Evergrow Coin. So how exactly does one use Evergrow Coin? Evergrow Coin has a transaction fee of 14%, with 8% of that fee being redistributed every few hours into USD stablecoin that is pegged to Binance. If the daily trading volume is high, you have the potential to earn thousands of BUSD from the transaction tax due to its infinite scalability of the system. This potential is directly proportional to the size of your holdings of Evergrow Coin. For example, the price of Evergrow Coin has decreased by 28% as of today. But because the daily trading volume has increased by well over 50% and has now broken the $1 million barrier, This indicates that at least $80,000 will trickle into the digital wallets of anyone who currently possesses Evergrow coin today. This is due to the fact that in order to cash in or cash out of Evergrow coin, both buy orders and sell orders are required to pay the 14% transaction fee. You can check out the third-party calculators on the Evergrow coin website to get an idea of how much BUSD you could make even if the cryptocurrency market were to crash. Number 3. Day trading on fast-rising altcoins. There are at least 5 altcoins that are making price gains of 100% today, according to the gainers and losers page on CoinMarketCap. Even during this bleak period for the cryptocurrency market, there are crypto assets that will double your money in a single day. These alternative cryptocurrencies include Metaxa, Mint to Earn, Maya Preferred, Doge Rise Up, and Raiden Network Token. However, a cursory examination will reveal that these alternative cryptocurrencies are quite distinct from one another. While the daily trading volume of one token is as low as $86,000, the volume of trading for another token is well over $3 million. In addition, some of these cryptocurrencies have a very limited amount of information available about them, and there is no way to determine how much their market capitalization actually is. This is where the danger of day trading on rapidly appreciating alternative cryptocurrencies lies. There's no way to know which will continue to grow without first conducting research. It is possible that some of these tokens are nothing more than outright cons, while others must just be a rug pull. The second type of scam takes place when a development team suddenly cashes in their tokens or removes all liquidity without giving prior notice. In the process, they typically make a profit. During the cryptocurrency market crash in June 2022, you may be able to make a lot of money by day trading on fast-rising altcoins if you have the stomach and the steel to do so. However, you should make it a priority to always do your research and have faith in the place where you are investing your money. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell notification for more interesting topics on Bitcoin. Thank you for watching.